Yeah, it's a video.
Stop for the picture, Maddie.
It's not a picture.
Alright, check out. Flamingos over there. Alright, what was that, Adrian? Come on, smile. Take some stuff. Nicholas, Ellison, how you guys doing?
Hi.
How you doing, Mr. Yancey?
Look at all the ones I got.
Sierra, what do you got over there?
I have 2.
2? 2.
I'm fine.
Say hi, everyone. Over there, no, they can't hear us.
Brenda! Say hi to the GoPro.
Oh, come on, Lily.
Oh no. Where's Drew?
Where's Drew?
Where's Drew?
Do it, come on, do it in your army shirt. Do it! Do it for Cuba! Not yet, they don't. Do it. Do it. What's going on? What, Sierra?
They did this every time they did a video.
Did what?
Up close.
Mr. Yancey, how's it going? You certainly are. It's a nice hat you have.
We're standing
Oh, Salty Dog. I don't know that place. You mean an island?
Yeah, that's what it's gonna end up like Lost.
Is it?
Yeah, but I want to be.
I feel like Tom. No, not Tom Cruise. What's his name? The one who played Forrest Gump. Tom Hanks. Tom Hanks. The one in Castaway. That's the one. Wait, isn't that what it's called? Yeah. No. Yeah, Tom Cruise, not Tom Hanks. Morgan, what's happening? Nice hat. Honey.
And just like he's doing, you want to plant them like maybe 1.5 feet or so, 2 feet away
out there, Nicholas? Got the fisherman trying to fix the boat. That's cool. Huh? Yeah, rep for our LRPO. Boat does smell. Yeah. Some nice shell, Quinn. I got some shells in my sandals. How far are we going? Yeah. How far are we going? Is it like way over there? Alright. Woohoo! Oh, I got like mangroves now. Woo! Oh boy, this is deep sand. Are you good? Oh God. Oh boy. Adrian, you doing all right? You need help?
Are you wearing shoes?
Oh boy. Oh God.
Oh.
Yeah, keep going. They're like snowshoes. He goes down hard. There's so much stuff in my shoes. Just take off your shoes. It's so much easier. My shoes are off. Yeah, I can tell. Oh my God. So deep. I want to see if I like arch my feet, how deep I get. Okay. Yeah, you can. I'm gonna see if I can get same way. I wonder if I can like hold my crab. That'd be cool. Well, that's because they claw, Yancey. Oh, I'm touching something solid right now. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I don't really want to find out what that is. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, work hard. Put in the grind. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh, mine too. Ow. All right. Well, they just made some good. You good, Drew? Woo! Oh, seashells. Oh God. Seashells. I'm thinking of the same thing.
There's really not that many bugs.
There's not any bugs at all. that for?
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Hey, can everybody
Hi,
scoot a little
GoPro.
bit?
I go first.
How's it going?
Forward.
Where are we going, everybody?
Push together.
Where are we going?
Trinidad.
We're going to Trinidad.
Trinidad? That's right.
Yeah, our hotel's on the beach. It's gonna be a good time.
You were made for this, Sierra.
I know. I'm meant to be on camera.
Meant to be on camera. Scoot in.
So
Okay.
I dropped it.
Peacock. Sierra.
I hope there's no sound on this GoPro.
There is.
I'm pretty sure there is.
Hello.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Wait, why is it loud?
Why is it not showing on the screen?
It turns off after that, like sleep mode.
But it's still videos.
Yeah. Smile for the picture, Prindle.
Here, wait, you haven't been in it at all.
No, I've taken a
Dan, tell us about your favorite part of the trip so far.
My favorite part of the trip? Well, planting
night.
the mangrove seeds was pretty fun.
Okay, now you're just sucking up. What was your
Oh,
actual
no, it was fun. It was fun.
No, it
I
was
had a
fun.
lot of fun.
Good job.
Tractor ride's pretty fun.
Oh, yeah. Fun.
And the flippers, so much fun. Well, I like that song.
I wish you had some more like depressing. They're all like chill rap.
Yeah. Yeah, that song sucks. I love that song. Yeah. GOMD? What's that? Oh, GOMD.
That's like literally what it's called, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh my god, the cutest pupper I've ever seen in my entire life. It was like puppies. Gracias. Adios. Turn it on.
Oh, shoot, I think
You just started recording. Yeah.
Sorry. This looks so cool. Drew with her dog friend. See. Go, Dan. Go put your stuff away. Alright, I'm gonna follow you, Dan. Dan, I'm following you carrying Mrs. Frindle's bag. What a nice boy. Okay, now it's time to go get my bag.